Okay.
Go hasta. Okay.
Okay.
Sige. Nay, ha? Stray, ayan. Nay lang, nay. Go straight. Dito. Kunin mo ang card. Dire. Push good. All the way.
Hello, very good morning everyone. So if you noticed, compared last night, the other night, the way the response si Mrs. sa emergency earthquake evacuation, it's different this time. Kay karon, knowing where to go and what to do. Naaragya po yung kadlok, however, it's replaced with a little bit of confidence nga kabalo na siya unsay ang buhaton kung kasa siya mato. So ako siyang guide and she knew exactly kung unsay ang buhaton all the way down sa first evacuation site. So naabot mi diha and ang staff ready na, and how quickly naka-deploy sila sa mga bangko and eventually nag-distribute tayo ng tubig and robes and everything, and then may mga staff tayo nag-assist. Ang ilahang staff sa SEDA is very well trained, and makita nimo ilahang professionalism. Dayon maay kay sila, they are very organized sa pag-execute sa ilang emergency evacuation despite nga gabi kamay raman ng staff basta gabi. However, maayo kay silang tanan, organized kayo, dali ra kayo sila naka-respond. And I congratulate everybody sa ilang pagka-efficient and effective. So right now we're going back in sa hotel. Dayon hopefully wala na mga linog. And so that's it, we're back in our rooms, in our beds, matulog may balik, and we're going to try to do that.
Previous night, dito
Okay,
sa
bro,
11.
nabilar na po may balik
Nag-request me to move
just like
here.
kagahapon. And so that's it, thank you all.
Legit kayo po compared sa taas.